I'm very proud to be able to launch one of our clients' website, which is, optimized and at the same time, very fully functional. Um, and as you can see, very informational as well, ready to be ranked. And so I'm very, very excited, to the work that will be done on this website. But let me just walk you through to the features that we have created for our client. So first things first, of course, as you can see, we have a phone number there. Anyone who is ready to get a hold of Shekix events and photo booth can get a hold of them. This is mobile optimized as well. So if they click onto the phone number, they'll be able to call our client right away. And also at the same time, if they do try to get a hold of them and they don't reach them, they'll be able to click onto few buttons here. Let's get started, and it will take them to a contact information as to where they can enter their information. So our client will be able to get a hold of them. So Shekix owners and their staff will be able to reach out right away. And of course, we have phone numbers here as well. We have their location and their email address as well as available. So as you can see, the logo is interlinked with the home page. We have social media profiles as well on here. It brings you straight to their Facebook, social media profile, their Instagram. It takes you to their Yelp, where you'll be able to see their reviews, perfect reviews, and also their Google business profile. If you Google them, then this is what you'll be able to see. Another great thing about this website is it's slick. We are following our clients' branding based off of their logo. Very, fun, and also at the same time we are kind of minimalist in this regard. We want to focus on different target market, um, is- and that would be quinceañera, birthdays, and corporate. So we want to be able to portray fun here, but at the same time corporate um, appeal. So I think that we have done a great job in being able to do that, and also display their photos and their capabilities. Their setup is also there. Photos are high quality, and we are also able to showcase their services, as to where we can showcase the actual photo booth, right? So you can see, all of the information in there, and also we're able to check on their 360 photo booth, which is my personal favorite because you'll be able to see, how their system or their device works, as y'all can see that. And then, of course, all of the other information that revolves around 360 photo booth. Now, of course, pricing is very direct to the point. You'll be able to see the packages, no hiding anything. And once you're ready to book, it brings you straight to the contact us. So it's interlinked to that page. And you'll be able to see, a little bit more information. I know that, to some people, it kind of looks like there's a lot of information there, but it's really very helpful to our audience, right? So they can see the information that they need, and Google loves words, so this is going to be relevant to Google. They're also their customers, our clients' customers, are able to also leave reviews as well. Leave reviews in Google, leave reviews in Facebook, and also on Yelp. and we're able to showcase their reviews as well. We have maps at the bottom. We have also, useful links within the website. We're able to show the services at the bottom. So may you be at the bottom or towards the top of the page, you're able to access all the information. Of course, if it's a photo booth, it also has to have gallery. So we are showcasing those photos, their existing photos, and of course the service areas that they have, because they do service SoCal. We also incorporated their about us, making sure that we place all the details that everyone needs to know about the wonderful photo booth company. And we have all the frequently asked questions. Usually, our their clients don't have time. Usually, they just call in right away and don't go through this. But just in case that they need it, it's there, ready to answer all those questions that or any inquiries that they have. And of course, we will never leave the reviews as well. So the reviews are posted there as well. So I really think that, compared to the before website, which is still good, but of course, being able to have multiple pages and being relevant to Google will help our client to get ranked up there. Currently, there's no statistics. There's just a few. Um, and of course, I know that you guys are not familiar with any of these statistics, but there's not much power to the old website. So we're going to go ahead in our projects to be able to power up this website. And I'm looking forward to seeing the results. We have very minimal keywords in here. Um, and we are looking forward to being able to reveal a little bit more and rank them up as we rank their Google business profile as well. Other than that, hopefully you guys enjoyed the look and kind of how we actually work on websites, and looking forward to showing more. And you have a great day. Bye.